Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am up with a really very interesting topic for you all. Guess what it can be? So let me tell you, I am here to tell you all my favorite products under 500 only. Yes, you heard right, under 500 only. So let's get started. Let's talk about the first product. So first product is this Fit Me Maybelline Concealer. So this is not too thick, not too thin, and it is up to the mark the way I want. So I am in the shade 20 Sand. You can choose yours. I'll show you the formula, how it works. This is how it is, and it's not too thick or not too thin, and you can see how fluent this works. And yes, this is my second tube I'm using right now. I have already done with the first one. It's of 475. So अभी 5 rupees कम ही है मेरी border line से. Like I have chosen under 500. So this is of 475. Or if you get any offer on Nykaa or Amazon, you can see that. Not talking much, let's get to now second product. This is my most favorite. You guys must have noticed this. I use this in all makeups. You can see that in all my videos too. So that is Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's almost finished. So this is my most favorite cream I use, and I just love its formula, how fluent it works, and I just love it. Especially one thing more, it's for all skin type. If you have normal skin, dry skin combination, you can use this definitely. So this is long lasting and it gives intense hydration. You can use this daily basis also, मतलब day or night before sleeping also you can use, before doing makeup you can use, or in daily basis you can use anytime. It's so smooth, it's not oily, and it's of 80 gram. It's cost rupees 425. And similarly, if you get any offer, you can get this in a minimum price. Like I got this in 380 rupees. Moving ahead to our third product, it is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is Sugar Eyebrow Pencil. I just love this one, and I'm gonna finish just two. So on one side it's having a spoolie, and on other side it's eyebrow pencil, which is in arc form. You can see this, and its color is grayish brown color. I'm gonna finish this one too. So you can note the shade name also. It's 02 Top. It's cost rupees 499. I still got saved 1 rupees under 500. Let's talk about the fourth product, which is from Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is how it looks like. You can use this to clean your makeup from your eyes, lips, or your face. And one more thing I want to tell you, it is alcohol free, no fragrance added in this, and it's dermatologically tested. It's of 125 ml, which costs rupees 175 only. The most important thing in that is you can use this for sensitive skins also. So it works so smoothly, and I love this one. Moving on to next product, which is from Biotech. So it is Bio Papaya Scrub, which is used for tan removal. I just love this one. I'm using this from quite a long time, and I am getting its result. I can see its results completely. So its cost of rupees 200 only. Oops, no, 199 only. So you can check this out, and I think it is for all skin type. Every person can use this. It's of 75 grams. I think only this packaging of this comes, not the bigger one. I'll show you all the formula also.
It looks like this. You can see I'm using this on my tooth.
And one more thing, it is made up of 100% Ayurvedic resin. Now let's just talk about our next product, which is from Lakme. So guess what? Maybe आप सब already use कर रहे होंगे, and I just love this product. This is Lakme Insta Liner. I just love this one. It is so affordable and it works very well. I don't know, I think जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी ना, तब से ये मैं देख रही हूँ इसको. मम्मा शायद यूज़ करते थे पहले. Till now I am using this one. It's cost just rupees 110, 110 only, and its formula is so good. It comes in a different colors also, blue, yellow, green maybe also, and the black one is evergreen product. They have written there that it's water resistant, but I don't feel so because it gets removed easily with the water. But not that कि अगर आपने सुबह लगाया तो शाम तक ये रिमूव हो जाता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर आप इसको रिमूव करोगे तब ये रिमूव ज़रूर हो जाएगा. Next product is also from Lakme itself, that is Lakme Face Sheer. This is a sort of a highlighter you can say, and I am having the shade Sun Kissed. So you can use this and its cost rupees 425. This highlighter is in a powdered form. I'll show you all how it looks. Guess what? I just broke my Lakme Sheer. You can see how it messed up. Now I can't show you. Now I can't open this and it gets messed up completely. But I can show you the formula as it's on my hand too. You can see how pretty this looks. How pretty this shines. I hope it's visible to you all. So this is a quite good formula under 500 only. Its pricing is only 425 and it's easily available online also, and if you want to buy from a regular shop you can do that. Next product I'm going to talk about is from Color Bar. Let me tell you all that I'm not using this product from quite a long time, but yes, it's been a week that I'm using this one and I'm just loving it. And it's so affordable, like in pricing if we say, it's affordable too, and as well as in a good quantity, and I like this too much. Let's get to that. So the product is Color Bar Fragrance Mist. I just love this one. This is Violet Heart and its name is Violet Heart, and it's of 250 ml and its cost rupees 495. That is pricing, and you can get good discounts from general stores also, and even if you go for the online shopping you can get that. You can see I haven't used much because it's been just a week I'm using this, but I'm totally loving this one. And you can see the spray is so good and it smells fantastic. It feels so fresh when I just smells it. It's amazing and its cost rupees 495 only, and it has good quantity. So the next product is from Nykaa Cosmetics, which is So Creamy Matte Lipstick. Its formula is super good and it stays on so well. I just love this one. I am having the shade Traffic Jamming. You can try any of the shade as you want and I'll show you how it looks. And its formula is super amazing. You can go with this one. It's just cost rupees 299. It's of 300 and so affordable. You can choose your shade and get this one for sure. So my last product is from MyGlam. So I am talking about MyGlam Lit Lipsticks. You can see how many I am having, and I have already finished so many of the colors. I just love its formula. It's matte lipstick and it stays on so well, or even it has so amazing colors that I literally want, and it's so affordable. It costs rupees 395 only, and even the survey going on MyGlam, if you fill that survey you get this lipstick totally free. Even I got 2 of the lipsticks free, so you can fill the survey also and give you good discounts on this also. It costs rupees 395. Sometimes they give you 50% off also. So yes, we can say it's quite a good deal to go with. So here the list ends of my favorite product under 500 only. And yes, important reminder for you all. If you want to buy any of these products, you can check my description. The link is there in my description of each and every product. Do use that link to support me, to support my channel. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment. And if you want, you can share this too. And if you guys liking this look, it's having a tutorial on my Instagram. Let's be friends on Instagram also. The link is in my description box. Go click and let's be friends. I hope you will enjoy it there a lot, as I put every tutorial look and even transition also, recreations. You will have lot more there. So do subscribe my channel and add me on Insta also. Goodbye. See you all.